How to play Sevens card, adding new strategies and scoring. Sevens is also known as Fantan, Dominoes, or Parliament depending on who you ask. Regardless of the name, the goal is to get rid of your cards first in order to win. The only things you need are a deck of cards, some friends, and the ability to put cards in sequential number order. Step 1. Hold on to your 7s, 6s, and 8s as long as possible. If you decide not to play these cards, it will keep other players from being able to get rid of their own cards. No one can play their low or high cards out of sequence, so you have the power to stall the game and increase your chances of winning. Of course, if these numbers are your only playable cards, you can't pass but have to play them. Step 2. Use poker chips to raise the stakes. When the game starts, each player puts a chip into the pot. The people with the least amount of cards in their hand put an extra chip in the pot to even the playing field. Every time someone passes, they have to add a chip to the pot. The winner of the round or game gets the whole pot. Use tokens, pennies, or even candy instead of chips. You can attribute money to the chips for real gambling or not, if you choose. Step 3. Allow people to play more than one card. To speed up the game, scrap the rule that says you can only lay down one card at a time. For example, if you have 4 spade suit, 3 spade suit, and 2 spade suit, you would be allowed to lay down all 3 as a run. This variation only applies to one suit at a time. You can't lay down an 8 heart suit, 9 heart suit, and 10 diamond suit. Even if you have numerical ordering, the cards have to be in the same suit to lay them down as a run in one turn. Step 4. Keep track of how many cards you have left for scoring. After someone gets rid of their cards, use a piece of paper or notebook to log how many cards each player has left. Each card equals 1 point. Start a new round, and keep track at the end of each. Once someone reaches 100 points, the game is then over and the winner is whoever has the smallest score. For shorter games, only go to 50 or 25 points, depending on how much time you have. Step 5. Use the ace as the lowest card instead of a 2. Some people order the card starting with the ace, and going up from the 2 to the king as the highest card. This will only slightly change the order of the layout. On the left side of the 2, you will lay out cards to the 2 instead of the ace, and on the right side the run will end at the king. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.